The revolution in gaming experience is here. NVIDIA launches 3000 series lineup of RTX graphics card, the next generation graphics card, and at this price and at this insane rate. And after the official announcement, we at Randall Jungle, along with million gamers across the world, are going nuts about it. So in this video, we will discuss on the new driver update as well as the hardware update which comes along with this 3000 series, the pricing that might shock you. Once install the driver and then good to go, even on a low budget graphics card. So let's begin. The lineup of this 3000 series introduced the most powerful 3090, the flagship 3080 and the entry level 3070. The Ampere based architecture opened the gate towards 8K ray tracing. Yeah, 8K ray tracing. नहीं सुनाई दिया. 8K ray tracing. अच्छा. Leaving both AMD and consoles with a big L on their forehead. But who knows, AMD might be planning something destructive. The most obvious is the new twin fan design and the 240mm radiator, which is one of the latest innovations in product designing according to NVIDIA. The journey from Pascals to Turing was a big leap with the introduction of the real-time ray tracing. But coming from Turing to Ampere, take things to insanity, with a 50% performance boost when compared to the previous RTX 2080 Ti. Also, NVIDIA introduced a new update called DLSS 2.0, which takes a low resolution motion vector of current frame, the high resolution of the previous frame, to generate the current high-res frame. In short, this will take a less rendering time with more efficiency. Let's compare the resolution with DLSS turned on with the native 4K. If we zoom in, the textures looks more sharpened, accurate and clear. This is the power of DLSS 2.0. But if you're thinking for building your own new PC or workstation with this next generation graphics card, then you have to step down to the real market, where market companies like Inno3D, Zotac, ROG and EVGA also introduced their design for the 3000 series. While we all know companies like Inno3D and Galax offer these cards at reduced prices, while ROG and Kingpin by EVGA are known for their unique and lavish design, we might not be expecting a bigger price for each of the cards. Now here's the fun fact. NVIDIA also gave us a big surprise with the price of the latest graphics card, where the B's 3090 will be retailing at around $1,500, that is around 1,52,000 INR, quite an expensive investment. Whereas the 3080 will be selling at $700, with that is around 90,000 INR, and the 3070 at $500, around 51,000 INR. At this price, the performance ratio is much higher than the 20 series, with 3070 delivering more performance than a 2080 Ti at less than half the price. But apart from the mind-blowing hardware update, NVIDIA has launched 4 new software updates which will be available to every G4 users across the world starting from this September. Esports. Esports is a game of milliseconds, and nearly 75% of G4 users love playing esports, where reaction time is the most important factor, the reaction time between the click of your mouse and the displaying pixels. NVIDIA launched a new esports technology presenting NVIDIA Reflex. It will optimize the rendering pipeline through CPU and GPU to reduce the latency by 50%, providing the fastest gaming experience ever before. Will be available to every G4 users in September with NVIDIA Game Ready drivers. First game that will be integrated this game technology will be Valorant, Fortnite, Call of Duty, Apex Legends and Destiny. NVIDIA also launched its 360Hz G-Sync esports display and will be sold by Acer, Alienware, Asus and MSI. This display has a built-in reflex latency analyzer and will be available soon. Also, NVIDIA launches its latest update, NVIDIA Podcast, which can turn any room to a broadcasting room. Live streamers and recorders will love this update and will be available to download in September and runs on any RTX GPU. If you are a game level designer or a game designer, then you would definitely love the new NVIDIA Omnima Machinima. It's an app built for 3D workflow platform. The Machinima brings assets from games and third-party sites like TurboSquid and Compose to create them into cinematics. Now you can make your own 3D model in just one click. Totally mind-blowing, isn't it? This app provides AI features making vocal animations from your voice, 3D models from videos, and making of physical big effects on rendering just on RTX GPU. This will change the meaning of 3D visualization and can be set up beast version of the current Microsoft 3D viewer installed on your laptop or PC. The next generation gaming technology is here, with its updated AI algorithm will now provide the best of the gaming experience, which was once the story of some science fiction books or movies. But thanks to Nvidia, gifting this technology to millions of gamers, streamers, developers across the world. Thanks for watching, stay safe and see you soon.